Minister munene Musalia Mudavadi akora kiorota atongoria aria maraukirira thirikari niundu wa ikinya riayo ria kuongerera njira cia ungania wa magoti kimauria kuvesa na njira ciingi iria thirikari ingiona mbeca cia gutwarithia uthii wa na mbere.
If you say you don't want VAT and the government was targeting to raise maybe 60 billion or 70 billion from VAT to deal with roads, to deal with medicine, to deal with education, then tell us, what is your option? Wewe tuambie, what is the alternative?
Mudavadi akora kiuga ona thengia gukura magoti ni marakanyiriria mwingi makagacithiria miturire yao matuko maukite.
Because all these people are talking, but what is their actual alternative proposal to fill the gap? Because we have a very huge deficit. I want to tell you the truth. They have no alternative.
Makiria noguo Mudavadi auria mwingi kwiyumiria na kuvesa na mawoni mao kuenderete kigena ya mwaka wa 2023.
Finance bill iko katika bunge na haijafichwa, inapelekwa kule ili wananchi watoe mawazo na mapendekezo pahali wanaona tunaweza rekebisha. Finance bill is there so that we can all make a contribution.
Na sio thirikari cia kaunti cia uria ruvonge rwa Akiaria igwitethereria niguo kunyandiria mworoto wacio wa kigena kia magoti.
And we have agreed to partner na Akiaria watusaidie ku build capacity ya Embu County Revenue Authority, because we are now convinced, and this is a conversation we've had even with my CEC, finance and the entire team, that in fact we do have capacity to get to 1 billion if we work extra hard and if we improve on our capacity and we go completely cashless.
Kuona ndumiriri ya monanio maumuthi rai kwi utumiri wa teknoloji kugacithiria biacara nendari avuli biacara mauria thirikari kuigithia wa kuigana sektari ya ICT.
Tubotete gukorwo na pay bill number iria customer arabota kuiga mbeca arokuria ari arokuria mashinani ni mabotete gukorwo makiga mbeca na magakenio ni undu ucio na kabindo gaukite kakui ni turenda gwika gwina app iguka
naguo kanitha wa Kerifu utongoretwo ni Bishop munene Edward Buria uria kwaragia vindia kwa mura Joseph Njagi aita muthikavu wa kanitha uyu wa diocese ya Embu wauga kavinda gaka katiagererekete kathirikari gukorwa ikiongerera magoti
tuturite turutite no ri kuongerera maundu mengi indiria kavinda karia uchumi wa bururi utari mwega uguo ti wega wazime kidogo.
Vandore Vak Meme TV ni kaunti ya Embu ni Ebita Dennis Fundi.